Look 2040, Mushroom Trip, a mycologist tour of the Tarkine. Deep in the heart of Australia's largest cool temperate rainforest, the Tarkine lies a world of fascinating life forms that have been sheltered for 65 million years. And among the towering trees and sparkling rivers, a group of explorers embarked on a 3-day fungi workshop led by renowned mycologist Dr. Alison Pouliot. Their mission was to uncover the secrets of the fungal kingdom and its vital role in ecosystems around the world. As they wandered through the forest, the group discovered an astonishing array of fungi species, each with its unique characteristics and functions. There were delicate blue pixies, parasols, fields of ruby bonnets that resembled bright red berries, and giant bracket fungi the size of dinner plates. The air was filled with the sweet scent of sassafras, and the sound of birdsong was interrupted by cries of delight as the group spotted each new species. Dr. Pouliot explained that fungi are not just mere plants, but rather ecosystem engineers that create the foundation for the forest. They form symbiotic relationships with as many as 70% of plant species on the planet, allowing them to thrive in even the most challenging environments. And the group learned about the incredible density of fungi, with some species covering over 9 square kilometers and weighing as much as 30,000 tons. As they explored the forest, the group encountered a variety of fungi species, each with its unique characteristics. They saw slime-covered earth tongues that resembled worms pushing up through the ground, echidna fungi with thousands of spiky teeth beneath their caps, and pagoda fungi with tiered caps that maximize the efficiency of spore dispersal. Every year, fungi across the world produce over 50 million tons of spores, making them a vital part of the ecosystem. The group's journey through the Tarkine was not just about discovering new species, but also about appreciating the vital role that fungi play in the ecosystem. And they learned about the importance of fungi in environmental restoration and the need to protect these fascinating organisms. As they left the forest, they were all fungally infected, with a newfound appreciation for the magical world of fungi and a desire to protect it for future generations.